Hello friends, this is DK Gautam and thank you for joining Interview Point. So in this video, I am going to talk about how to allow Textbox to accept only numbers. Okay, so now let's get started. Before going to start this video, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Here you will get all the video. Let's see some validations there. So in this video, I am going to talk about how to allow the Textbox to accept only numbers. Okay, so first you need this is the mobile number text box. So what I am going to do here, so I have to create a key press event. So for that, what I want to do here, I want to write a condition for that. If dot is digit for that e dot there. Okay, after that not care is control. Okay, e dot care. Okay, so that e dot handle. So you need to write this condition. That's it. Okay, equal to true. Okay, so this is now I'm going to run this application. You can see the text box to that is mobile number will allow only the digit. Okay, I am entering number here. It is accepting numbers, but I am now entering characters, so it is not accepting. So it will accept only the numbers. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please ask me anytime. So thank you guys.